Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 258 PS V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has an automatic gearbox. This Amarok is also a 4Motion. This Amarok is a used 20 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the vehicle. To the front, you will notice Xenon headlights with LED daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. You'll also notice a V6 badge in the chrome grille. Moving around the Amarok again, you will notice that it's fitted with 19-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. On both sides, you will notice mudflaps to the front and to the rear and chrome styling bars. This Amarok is also fitted with power folded heated mirrors. This is ideal for leaving the truck on a busy road and for cold winter months. Also to the back of the truck, you will notice privacy glass. Moving into the back of the Amarok, you will notice 3 comfortable seats with Isofix anchorage points on the 2 outer seats. As we look at the back of the truck, you will notice a rear view window for the driver. Here we have a 12-volt socket and 2 handy cup holders for the rear passengers. To the back of the Amarok, you will notice a rear trunk lid. You'll also notice a chrome rear bumper with step and reverse parking sensors. You'll also notice a rear tow bar. The tail lights on this Amarok are also standard. You'll also notice a Amarok VW badge, V6 and 4Motion badging on the rear trunk lid. Moving into the back of the load area, you will notice there's plenty of space. You'll also notice it is in clean condition. You'll also notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. This Amarok is also fitted with heavy duty suspension. This Amarok is fitted with a load cover which is lockable. If I pull the strap, you will notice as I pull the load cover back, it locks into certain places and doesn't fly back to the front. This cover is made by Roll and Lock. This Amarok is painted in a metallic paint which is called Ravenna blue. And now for a look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both front doors come with some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice some more handy storage. This Amarok is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in Vienna leather. In the centre, you will notice an armrest and 2 handy cup holders. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Amarok. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, we notice mirror and electric window controls. Here we have the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice volume control. The back switch also works the cruise control. This Amarok has covered 9,046 miles. The interior is fitted with a 6.3 colour touchscreen multimedia system with FM and DAB radio. Next we have the media section. This system is fitted with a CD. It's also fitted with 2 SD card readers. It's also fitted with a USB and an AUX port, which you'll find down here. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. Next you will see it's fitted with satellite navigation. It's easy to use. Just pinch your fingers across the screen to make it larger and smaller. You can also pull the maps across to find your ideal location. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this Amarok is fitted with a rear view camera. If I press the screen, you'll also notice it's fitted with Park Pilot technology for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Amarok is fitted with a dual climate control, so you can have separate heat temperatures for your driver and for your passenger. It's easy to adjust, as you can see. You can also sync them both together. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. The top row of switches allows you to change the direction of the heat, and the last switch allows you to change the fan speed. Now going to move away from the heating controls, you will notice it's fitted with two 12-volt sockets. It's also fitted with heated front seats for your driver and for your passenger. As you can see, it's easy to adjust. Here we have a off-road switch, and lastly here we have the automatic gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 258 PS V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine. It also has an automatic gearbox and it's a 4Motion. If you would like any more information on this used approved 20-plate Amarok, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Amarok. When you are talking to the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.